So we are at the grass blades counter and with Prince Kumar Singh, and he will tell us more about the various high-tech equipments. Generally my channel focuses more on grassroots level farming, but we will cover some of these other high-tech products. Yes sir, tell me more.
Hi, Namaste. My name is Prince Kumar Singh and my company name is Grass Blades Private Limited. And we are basically a trading company in India, and we have tied up with many good international brands like Urbanaki, Eliport, Pinstop,
Eliport, Pinstop, okay.
Positron.
Right.
And these all are in nursery segment, and these are very good brands in Indian market. Basically, Urbanati is mainly used for the seed sowing machines, irrigation booms, like all the automation we are supplying in India. And this is a Helipod. Basically, it's a paper pot system. Basically, it is a replacement of the plastic in Indian market. And this in this papers we are getting very good kind of. This is
Right.
Helipod made trays. Basically,
Right.
it is
And what is the height of this?
usable.
What is the
This
height
is
and
50 by I think around 200.
50 by 200?
Sorry, not, 80 by 200.
80 by 200.
Yeah.
And is suitable for what kind of crop or
It is basically for apple or other like high value crops.
apple or other high value
Yeah,
crops?
yeah.
Okay.
And apart from this is a peat moss. Basically, it's a soilless media. It comes from Denmark. Basically, in peat moss, basically, it naturally EC is 0. So that is very like good for the young plants and cuttings.
Okay. Okay. So this is formulated in Denmark.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is very good for small young plants
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
this-
Okay.
Because
So
it has like, EC naturally 0, so we are adding some starter fertilizers which is helps seeds or small cuttings to grow faster compared to coco peat or any other.
right. Right. And this cool looking machine, can you tell us more about this machine?
Basically, this is a seed sowing machine. This is a basic one. So in this, whatever like size you want to produce in your trays,
Right.
so you have to make a kit, and
Right.
it works on the air pressure. So whatever seeds, vegetable seeds,
Right.
you want to sow, so you can sow here.
Right. So you can just explain how does it, I mean in short.
In generally, we have to connect compressor pipe here.
Right.
So it will give you air, pure
Right.
air.
Okay.
And after that, it will this bar will up, and it will pick up the seeds, and like it will the tray.
The
will
tray comes here.
The tray will come from here.
Okay.
So it will see pick the one seeds and put in the trays,
Right.
and dibble.
Right.
Dibble it in the center of the tray.
Right.
So
Right.
by this machine, like we will get the accurate seed sowing, and more mortality is not lesser, because in when we are putting the seeds with human, so human temperature and other things are impacting on the seeds. So there are more mortality, and the person cannot pour the seeds in the middle of the trays. So like it's very
So
beneficiary for
this
the farmer.
reduces mortality by how much?
It's reduced mortality by like it's suppose if you are sowing the seeds by man, so it may be around 70% you will get a result, and 30% mortality will be there.
70%, 30%.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And
in this machine you will get the 99 to 95 to 99% accuracy.
90 to 95%.
Yeah.
So only 5% mortality approx.
5% mortality, it's just depend on the.
So this picks it. The picking is done by this
By the nozzles.
by the nozzle.
Yeah.
Okay. And
There are
the
various type of nozzle coming.
Right.
It's on depending on the seeds, you have to change the nozzles
Okay.
from here.
Okay.
And it will pick the seeds.
Okay. And what are the typical crops which are best for this optimized?
Basically, this machine is all type of vegetable like tomato, chili, brinjal, capsicum, flower, cauliflower, watermelon, muskmelon, and many others we can do it.
And is there a lot of sales in the retail space for this, or how is it?
Yeah, like
What's the
many small nurseries are nowadays in India people
Right.
are adopting this because in Indian market also everybody is facing the labor challenge.
Correct.
So, by this machine you have to not depend on the labors. If you have 1 or 2 person, you can easily
And do you have any console and all with AI or programming or anything? Not as yet.
Not with this machine.
Not with this machine.
Like with the bigger one, like there is a programming and all is there.
Right.
So you have to just put all whatever you need.
Right.
It will work on that. Even in Urbanati, we do have like automation, nursery automation. Like so you have to irrigation, watering, fertigation, all you can do with by one click.
Okay. And which is this is the Italy probably. This is in
Yeah,
Italy.
This is from Italy.
From Italy. Okay.
This Heliport and Pinkstop are the from Denmark.
Denmark.
And this PPA is also from Italy. Netherlands.
Netherlands.
PPA is from Netherlands.
Right.
And apart from that, we have one more in Dosatron. Basically,
Dosatron. So
it
this is a cool looking machine. Looks
Yeah,
very
it's,
nice.
very
The
nice
aesthetic is
machine,
very
like
good. And
you
which
can-
country of origin is this?
France.
France.
You
Okay.
don't need any electricity, any petrol or nothing. It works on the water flow.
Okay.
Whatever water flow will come, like smaller machine, 10 liter per hour, 3000 liter per hour on water flow, it can work. This machine, you have to be minimum 1000 liter per hour to 9000 liter per hour. So inlet will water will go and the piston will work. You can see the demonstration here.
Yes.
See, like
Yeah.
the water is coming here.
So there is no motor in this.
No, nothing.
No motor, nothing.
In
Okay.
this we have put motor because there
Right.
is a no water.
Obviously, because you have to pump and
Yeah.
demonstrate the mechanism.
So that's why it's a
So
demo machine.
water enters from here and it
it's
goes here.
pump and the dosing is coming from here.
Dosing
so
is
it
coming
will,
from here. This is the dosing line.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. And this is suitable for what size fields or what?
See, it's any type.
Any type.
See, if your field is more bigger,
Right.
you have to because ultimately when your area is too far,
Right.
so your water flow will be decreased.
Right.
So on that you have to put 1 or 2 machines more.
Okay. Okay. And what is the response like? Is it good?
Yeah, it's very good response.
right, so-
People are really, because see in Venturi or other systems, they are getting more mortality. Because
Okay.
in that, if your water flow will come and up and down, so more fertigation will give to the plant. So by that, the plant will impact.
Right.
It will not.
Right.
grow properly.
And that means you put this dosing is done and it's very easy compared to
it's
normal
very-
methods.
you have to just
You connect it to a sprinkler or whatever system, drip or
the
whatever.
setting
here.
over here.
Okay.
Whatever percentage you want to set the.
Right. So this is 2% means 2% here.
2%. Like
Right. So
in
this
1
is
liter-
this moves or what
yeah,
moves?
Yeah, it can be.
This moves. This is
Currently
the
it
control.
working.
Right,
so
right.
we
Correct,
cannot
correct.
move.
Obviously.
But you can set the dosing like from 2% to 10%. You can
2% to 10%.
Yeah.
Okay. Water flow, you put your operating pressure 0.1 to 10 bar. Okay. And these are the various models.
Yeah, it's depend upon the models. Like this
Right.
model, 0.2 set 2%.
Right. So D3GL, D9GL, D20GL and D30GL. All these are available currently or
Yeah, all are available in stock.
Okay,
so-
fine. Great.
And, and here we have one more agriculture department.
Okay.
In that we are selling
Chainsaws and all.
Stiga,
Okay.
like lawnmowers.
So Stiga is of
Stiga is
which
also,
country origin is it?
Italian,
Italian.
machine. They are
Okay.
also very good player in the
Oh, right.
European market.
Right.
So they are also providing.
These are lawn mowers. So.
This is the lawnmower. This
Right.
is the small chair, a car washer, chainsaw, hay trimmer, shredder. We have ride-on mowers. We have a lot of models in the Stiga.
Right. So these are available for on the retail space on Amazon
These
or how is it?
machines We are selling to the dealer network. We have not tied up with Amazon and other things because there are many written policies.
Okay, right. So you all have direct sales.
No, we are not doing direct
Through dealers,
sales. We are
right.
selling this to dealers.
Okay. Do you have an online website and all where we can buy products from our retailers
Yeah,
also?
we have,
Okay. Okay.
You
Fine.
can buy it from India Mart.
India Mart, etc. Okay. Great. So we'll be putting the contact details in the description. And nice talking to you.
Thank you,
Best of
thank
luck
you,
with
man.
your journey.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.